How to change custom profile picture in Ubisoft. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change custom profile picture in Ubisoft. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is just open up a web browser and simply search for Ubisoft. After that, open up Ubisoft and just open up, log in into your account. After that, what you'll need to do is this is your Ubisoft's account section. Right here, what you will need to do is tap on this icon right here on the top. Tap on it, and now you're on your account information. Under here, you will find your private information. So you'll find your user profile, your public profile, and stuff like that. All you have to do is tap on this pen icon right here to change your profile picture. As you can see, you will see change your avatar option. Now all you need to do is just choose, and all you need to do is choose an avatar. So just select any avatar here, and after you choose an avatar, you can tap on the choose button. So let me just choose this, tap on choose, and with that I've just changed my profile picture on my Ubisoft. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.